Welcome to Howdy Review. We are reviewing a Ryobi ONE+ compact fixed base router. You get a collet wrench, a dust port shield, the router, and its base with the standard shield attached. Unlatch the base, then push down on the adjustment mechanism to release the depth screw and remove the base. There is a reference depth scale on the router. The depth setting is labeled in 1/64 inch increments, and there are marks at the 1/128th, with plenty of room between marks for finer adjustment. The speed control is marked in 6 settings and smoothly changes from 20,000 to 30,000 RPM. A simple on-off switch is below the battery port. I'm installing a 1 1/4 mortising bit to work on a door frame. The router is rated up to 1 3/8 but can only cut 1/8 deep. Hold the lock button to loosen or tighten a collet on the bit. Hold down the depth screw latch to install the base to the approximate depth, then release the latch. Adjust the depth for your bit type and project using the depth fine adjuster. When you get the depth you need, close the clamp that fixes the base in position. Here is a closer look at the depth adjusting latch, installing the base and adjusting the depth. Install the battery after you've completed adjustments and when you're ready to start cutting. I need a 1/2 inch deep slot, so must make several passes at the 1/8 inch depth limit of the router. This is a brushed motor, and I'm impressed by the cutting power of this compact. Open the base clamp, adjust 1/8 deeper, clamp again, and make another pass. If you try to cut too hard, the router will stop to protect itself. Adjust the depth again and make another pass. By the way, this does not have a soft start, so start clear of your work, then move in. The slot is clean on the first side. The second side will clean up when I widen the slot. I have changed to an Ogee bit here with a bottom bearing, which is a much more typical use for a compact router. Let's remove the base and base plate so we can install the dust port shield. First, we have to snap out the standard shield. It is a tight fit and will require some force. Snap loose, rotate, and pull out. Insert the tabs of the dust port shield in the slots of the base and rotate to snap in. I found it a little tricky. Then reinstall the base plate. Put the base back on the router and adjust the depth to put the Ogee where you want it. The shop vac is connected to the dust port and greatly reduces the mess, but cannot catch it all. The Ogee is smooth and clean, even though I'm demonstrating on framing. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please give us a thumbs up, as it really helps us help others. Subscribe if you want to see what else we may get up to.